This way of preparing cucumbers and tomatoes will surprise you. Start by slicing 2 cucumbers into rounds. The thickness should be medium, as shown in the video. Place the slices in a bowl and set aside. Next, slice half an onion. Add the slices to the bowl with the cucumbers. Do the same with half a red onion. Cut it in half and slice it. Then slice 3 cloves of garlic very thinly and add them to the bowl. Add green onions to taste. Finely slice 1 chili pepper and add it to the bowl as well. Season with coarse salt to taste and mix all the ingredients well using a spoon. In 2 sterilized glass jars, place bay leaves and black pepper to taste at the bottom. Add the sliced cucumbers, onions, and all the ingredients from the bowl in layers until the jars are filled. Now, chop 2 tomatoes into large pieces, removing the seeds. This is the ideal size. Add the chopped tomatoes to the jars. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And top off with water. Seal the jars tightly. In a pot, place a cloth at the bottom and position the jars. Cover them with water and cook over medium heat for 15 minutes. After this time, remove the jars from the pot and let them cool. And it's ready. Our delicious cucumber and tomato preserve, with a surprising flavor, is finished. It's a practical and delicious recipe that has become one of my favorites using tomatoes. Try it out and let me know in the comments what you think. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like our video. Not part of our channel yet? Click the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming recipes.